Coming right here. Ready.
You guys had to be at the furthest field, huh? You got shorts for him. Did you guys just start?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, here are shorts. Good.
Strip.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's how we started, baby.
So much easier to see than you guys. I could not find your jerseys. I found them and I was like, whatever.
Yeah, Jock.
Oh. Good job.
Unlucky.
What are you talking about? Yeah.
It means we do great at this ground, but... Yeah, boys! Go Ryan! Nice!
You gotta be back. All right. Big. That was good guys. Back on. Go ahead.
Yeah, right!
Dylan, you're over. Hey, up. Get out.
Yes, blood. Yeah, blood! High.
Watch the kick!
Time! Go. Oh. Damn it.
Put this raincoat on. It's hot outside.
Yeah. Let's go, Monty! Yeah, Rohan!
Yes.
There you go.
Giant hole in the middle of it.
Yeah,
Huh?
it's terrible.
I just noticed that.
Nice! Caught that. Hell yeah!
Go.
Nobody's there.
You get it?
Oh, that was it?
Got it. Well, that... Central Connecticut.
Good pressure.
Nice job, bro. Nice roll. Out.
Take him down, bro. Post. Got this, Jock.
Yeah, Jock.
Come
Live.
Good job, Ryan.
Card, right? High tackle.
Nice.
Come on, Ryan!
Punch it through.
He never scores when I'm around, so it would be nice for him to score one.
I remember the Ironsides match where he like took out 3 people and then Branch kicked it away right after it.
No side bleeding.
Goose?
Yeah. I did that one. I got hit. Hit on the head.
And what happened
Shot, get ready.
There's a penalty play. It's backwards. Poach it, Row. Yes, Rohan. Unlucky, Rohan. Unlucky. Hartford and Hartford Exiles are their college house.
Yeah.
Losing.
I mean, it's a home tournament.
Yeah.
Okay, Matt. Yeah.
greedy after dunking the under one. I should have just got rid of it early.
Yeah, but hey, you went forward with the ball. We didn't lose possession. I'll take that. All right, go for it. Ooh.
Over!
Wet grass.
Good luck, Rohan. We don't need 2 in, make it 7's.
Good there.
Go for a run,
Yeah,
Chap!
go,
For a
go.
run, Chap!
Come on, Chip!
Go, Chappie. Go, Chappie. Go, Chappie.
21.
Woo!
There you go!
Right in the middle. Is that his first time?
Shoot that boot. Let's go, baby. Great wheels, kid.
Nice.
Touch it, touch it, touch it, touch it, touch it. Grab it. Back up.
Thank you, Jameson! Take him, Ro!
There we go, that hand slam. Get low, Chappie.
Well done, Chap. Well done, Chap.
Very good. Good wrap. Good wrap.
Push. Row.
Pressure!
Oh, the shrimp.
Well done, Dylan. Well done, Dylan.
Go for a run, go for a run. Over him. Over.
There you go. Nice. There you go, Jameson. Good pressure.
No, you never release the ball. Back 10.
Pace!
That's a wrap. Go. Yep. Work on the ground. Go.
Hi.
Use it!
That's our ball. Back 10. Go for a run now. Go for a run.
Chap, you're out? Yeah, next stop.
Ryan. You gonna record, Dill?
Huh?
You gonna record? There's somebody else in.
We got blood.
Oh, you can go back in?
Yeah. Go for a run. Bring it out. Smart.
Great job, Chap.
Fuck yeah, Chappie!
You're off. Terry, you're on. Me and Terry.
Line out.
I probably should have shown on camera there. I'm sorry, Terry.
Youngblood, you're on. Youngblood, you're on. And that's all 5, boys. That's all 5.
Ooh.